Dinosaurs ruled the Earth for more than 160 million years. These incredible creatures were some of the most powerful animals to ever live. But when most dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago, their story didn't completely end. In fact, many animals alive today still carry traits from their ancient ancestors. From the terrifying Tyrannosaurus rex and its surprising connection to chickens, to modern predators that resemble ancient hunters. The world of dinosaurs might be closer to us than we think. Let's explore some incredible dinosaurs, and the modern animals that remind us of them. 1. T-Rex and chicken. At first glance, a tiny chicken seems nothing like a terrifying dinosaur. But scientists say chickens are actually distant relatives of one of the most powerful predators in history, the Tyrannosaurus rex. Both belong to a group of dinosaurs called theropods. These dinosaurs walked on two legs, had three-toed feet, and many of them were covered in feathers. In fact, modern birds are considered living dinosaurs. That means every time you see a chicken walking around a farm, you're looking at the distant legacy of a dinosaur that once ruled the Earth. 2. Ornithomimus and Ostrich. Ornithomimus was one of the fastest dinosaurs to ever live. Its long legs, lightweight body, and toothless beak made it look surprisingly similar to modern ostriches. Like ostriches, Ornithomimus likely relied on speed to escape predators. Some scientists believe it could run up to 70 kilometers per hour. With its bird-like body and incredible speed, Ornithomimus might have looked less like a monster, and more like a giant prehistoric bird sprinting across ancient plains. 3. Velociraptor and Cassowary. Velociraptors are famous for their sharp claws and deadly hunting skills. But surprisingly, one of the closest modern comparisons might be the cassowary. Cassowaries are large flightless birds that live in tropical forests. They have powerful legs and a dagger-like claw on each foot. With one kick, a cassowary can cause serious injuries. This powerful weapon is very similar to the sickle-shaped claw used by velociraptors millions of years ago. In many ways, cassowaries might be one of the closest things we have today to a real-life raptor. 4. Corythosaurus and Hornbill. Corythosaurus was a plant-eating dinosaur known for the large crest on its head. Scientists believe this crest may have helped produce loud sounds for communication. Interestingly, modern hornbills also have large casque structures on their beaks. These structures help amplify their calls through dense forests. Both animals show how evolution can create unusual head structures that are useful for communication, display, and attracting mates. 5. Archaeopteryx and eagle. Archaeopteryx is one of the most important fossils ever discovered. It lived about 150 million years ago and had features of both dinosaurs and birds. It had feathers and wings like modern birds, but also teeth, claws on its wings, and a long bony tail. This incredible creature shows the evolutionary transition between dinosaurs and modern birds like eagles. Because of fossils like Archaeopteryx, scientists now know that birds are actually living descendants of dinosaurs. 6. Spinosaurus and crocodile. Spinosaurus was one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs ever discovered. Unlike most dinosaurs, it spent much of its time in the water. Its long narrow snout and cone-shaped teeth were perfect for catching fish, very similar to modern crocodiles. Fossils even suggest Spinosaurus had adaptations for swimming, making it one of the first known semi-aquatic dinosaurs. In many ways, it may have hunted rivers and wetlands much like crocodiles do today. 7. Ankylosaurus and armadillo. Ankylosaurus looked like a living tank. Its entire body was covered in thick armor plates designed to protect it from predators. Some species even had a massive club at the end of their tails that could deliver devastating blows. Modern armadillos use a similar strategy. Their armored shells help protect them from danger. Although armadillos are much smaller, they show how effective armor can be as a survival strategy. 8. Triceratops and Rhinoceros. Triceratops was one of the most recognizable dinosaurs. It had 3 large horns and a massive bony frill protecting its neck. These horns were likely used for defense and possibly for fighting other triceratops. Modern rhinoceroses show a similar strategy. Their horns are powerful weapons used for defense and dominance. Separated by millions of years, both animals evolved similar tools to survive in a dangerous world. Dinosaurs may have vanished millions of years ago, but their legacy still lives on around us today. From birds in the sky to powerful predators on land, the influence of dinosaurs can still be seen in the animal kingdom. Evolution didn't erase the dinosaurs completely, it simply transformed them. And the next time you see a bird walking by, remember, you might be looking at a modern dinosaur.